She is used to seeing an array of diverse abilities as a judge on Britain's Got Talent. And Amanda Holden showed off her own unique talent as she tucked into a vanilla cream cake while performing a headstand during a bizarre skit on Friday's episode of This Morning. The blonde beauty, 47, was attempting to emulate Britain's Got Talent contestant Sarah Llewellyn, who had wowed the judges by singing opera and simultaneously eating cake and doing acrobatics. After Jordan Banjo tried to tempt her with a cake, which the star said she'd eat later, Amanda's whimsical co-host Rylan Clark-Neal asked her about her special talent, eating cake while doing a headstand. After Amanda played down her quirky talent, Rylan disagreed and produced a cake and cushion for her to showcase her talent. A chivalrous Rylan held onto Amanda's toned legs as she went hardcore and got rid of the cushion, with her co-host assuring her he would be holding onto her skirt to protect her modesty. Amanda responded, "I have got knickers on underneath." The star then began munching away on the cake as her skirt partly rose up, with Rylan bravely encouraging her during the headstand. As she moved away from the cake, Amanda asked for the sweet treat to be moved closer to her and asked Rylan to kick it towards her. The presenter gamely booted the cake, but applied a little too much force, with it slamming into Amanda's face as she came tumbling down. As the pair dissolved into laughter, Amanda went to an ad break with icing covering her face